guys, good morning. I am freezing. Can you tell? It's 6:27 in the morning. I've been up since 3. We've been out of Bahawalpur, out of Hotel 1 since 4 a.m. We've traveled the 2-ish hours to Derawar Fort, and I've now set up my camera to do a sunrise time lapse here. The fort is behind us. I wish I had a really nice wide angle lens today, but this should be a really beautiful morning. This is a UNESCO site here outside of Bahawalpur. That was the first on my list, and I'm super excited to explore. Now, the road out here was really it was nice. It was paved almost the entire, well, pretty much the entire time. All right, there were some potholes the size of VW bugs, that is true, but I was really impressed by the roads. It's very easy to get out here, and normally you wouldn't come this early. I just want to capture this moment. In addition to Mishap, we have a local guide for the fort who's going to take us around as well, which I'm super excited to explore once it opens, I guess about 9 o'clock. So, and the local guide, he actually lives, we're here in the neighborhood that surrounds the fort, and there's Mr. Bean's car. And he's gone to get chai and biscuits. So I will show you everything as the day goes on. Super excited to be here. Ooh, call to prayer. Oh, that's gonna make this moment even better. Okay guys, see you in a few. Okay, as you can see by my red nose, it's still really cold out. Okay, so is it okay if I put you on?
Yeah, right on.
Yeah? Okay, so this gentleman is part of the police team that took us the last part of the way. I think we had five or six.
There's a fifth one.
Five different passovers between the police districts. He's been working for the department for 11 years and says that I'm the first person to come this early, which I'm not sure if that was a complaint or if he was telling me as a source of pride, but I'm very excited. It maybe means that, is it maybe one of the first sunrise videos?
Sunrise videos, yes.
Yes, that's so awesome. And thank you. I just recorded all of what I'm about to record now. So stupid. I didn't check to make sure it was recording. Okay, so hey, Naveed, our local guide, has brought chai from home. That sweet, like milky chai that they do here. Ah, yeah, so good. And he brought some toast. That's perfect. He's over giving chai and toast to the police escort right now, which are discreetly tucked behind a tree. This is very fun, and it's been a beautiful morning to be able to see this while the sun's rising, and just to see this is just, I feel really thankful that I'm here. This is beautiful. next stop on your list is the Imperial Graveyard, which is absolutely beautiful. You can see behind me here, back here is where the women are buried.
Yeah, all tombs belongs to women.
All tombs belong to women except one long chamber, which is for the men. But everything is it's very well preserved and absolutely beautiful. It's just, this entire area is just gorgeous. All right, let's go explore. I'm gonna stop talking. Hold on. Okay guys, we stopped in the road because look at this amazing view. Hold on. Wait, I'll do it properly. One sec. So that is the mosque we're going to visit, and there's the fort. Wow. I'm sorry, but it has to be just so amazing to live in these villages and see this every day. I feel like a little kid, like so excited watching everything. Next on your list here is going to be the Imperial Mosque. It is absolutely gorgeous. There are a few interesting things here that you'll want to see, but one of them, hold on, check this out. As you walk up the steps to the mosque, into the building, leads out to the elephant gate of the fort. Okay, I know it's silly, but that was crazy fun to go through. And it's just, okay, once you're in here, it's quite a beautiful, like, marble man. Oh, I thought I just got pooed on again. I did not. But the view is spectacular from in here. I mean, look at this. Hold on, I'm turning you around again. Look at that. And all you hear are the birds. It's beautiful. Okay, next stop is the fort. I'm very excited about that. I think we're doing things a bit backwards than how you might do it when you arrive, but it's because we came so early today and we had access to a couple of spots earlier. So, next stop, the fort. Arrived to the fort and it is amazing. There is renovation going on throughout the entire fort in different areas, different sites within it. And the the way that they get materials up from the ground is quite interesting. I'm putting that in now so you can see, but they are just lovingly restoring this to, well, to a better state. And there's one room, hold on, so this is fort. As you can see, there's renovations going on a little bit of everywhere. Down here they are bringing materials up, but if you walk through, hold on, one door, look, it goes from being just natural brick and terracotta and mud color to a gorgeous restoration. This is where the prince lived. This is what I was told, this is where the prince lived. And so they're restoring only this room in this style, but everything from the ceiling to the walls are being lovingly restored. It's absolutely beautiful, but super princely. And the views, hold on. The views, as you can see, are fit for royalty. It's absolutely beautiful. It's just wonderful. Ooh, a little scary too. And the mosque that we were just at is just there. I can't begin to tell you just how it feels to be inside. It's an impressive monument. Monument? Yeah, monument. So it was originally constructed in the 9th century, but because the exterior wall was made with local mud, it started to deteriorate over time. So in the 18th century, it was rebuilt and is what you see here today. But this is definitely worth a trip from Bahawalpur. Again, this was #1 on my list of things to do here. It's kind of the reason that I chose this. It's a UNESCO landmark. It's absolutely beautiful. There's a ton to walk around and capture. You will have so much fun. Hey guys, okay, we are at Naveed's place again because I had to pee. Thank you, Naveed. But he actually has camels. So we are going to put me up on a camel. Naveed does this, it's one of his business ventures at the fort. So when you're coming to the fort, look for Naveed. He'll be here with his camel. It's super cute. It looks like it's gonna be friendly and not attack. It's gonna be fun. Okay. Okay. Oh, okay, here we go. Oh yeah. I'm on a camel. Oh my god, that's so much fun. Oh, sorry, thank you. Okay. Woo! Oh, I'm so tall. That's awesome. Oh my god, I'm on a camel. not at the fort, it's at Naveed's place, but it's where I have chai and it's so much fun still. Thank you. Okay guys, that was super fun, like so much fun. It's really reasonable too. If you want to go all the way around the fort, it's only 250 rupees with Naveed. So be sure to look for Naveed, guys.